I got a giant ass camera in my face this morning, and we got a giant ass burly guy.
What's up, guys?
What's up? And then we got Noah over here. You guys saw him last time. Yeah, we're getting ready to go to what show right now?
It's at the Max RPM in Bremerton.
Bremerton.
Who's putting it on? Cars and Gears PNW.
Cars and Gears and PNW. Do they have an Instagram?
Yeah,
they do. Okay, it'll probably be right here somewhere.
PNW Cars and Gears or Cars and Gears PNW.
There you go. There's Noah. There he is. Yeah. There's Will's car. Super dope. Look at. And then we got the Jimny you guys saw last time. But yeah, that's that. So we'll go and update you guys as we get there and travel around. Hopefully this thing turns out good today. Alright guys, so we stopped to get gas. Found out that 100 kilometers on this car is closer to 65 miles US. So that means when I'm going 100 kilometers out here in this thing can only peak at 65 US. So we got Will's car here. Oh, laid out. Here's the interior of the Jimny. And of course we got Noah's ride. I'm gonna go check out his car. Oh, we get people like this all the time. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and check you guys up once we get there. Didn't get any B-roll going over the bridge, but Bremerton is very nice. So let's go ahead and continue this drive with no radio in the car. That's my radio. So we're here at the show. Will's back in the cam. We got Z. Got a big ass camera with a big ass mic. Gotta make it happen.
Looking at a lot of carbon, bro.
Right. Here's that car. You mean on your XP? I've seen that over XP. $1.2 mil. 1.2. Right. What's up, Josh? This is Josh. Check him out. Yeah, check him out.
Checking you out.
Yeah, checking you out. We just got registered. Noah just got registered. What do you got, Noah? What classes?
Roadster.
Yeah, Roadster. Got the Eunice's best truck, best JDM. I think Noah's gonna win best JDM, maybe, or Josh might. We'll see. Here we go. All right, we're gonna put this thing on the windshield. Damn. We got there. Noah's car. Alright, so we're gonna go and check out some of the cars. And this show's pretty cool. Euro versus the world is the title of it. And you got some pretty neat rides. It's still raining, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down a little bit, but once it kind of dies down a little bit, I'll go ahead and show you guys around. But if you're new here to the channel, of course, subscribe, hit that notification bell icon. Today's gonna be really cool. It's a little awkward at first, but it should be fun. Here we go. Talking to the camera again, right? Let's get it.
Tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. There's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind.
Hey guys, so it's a little bit quieter and down here. If you guys are enjoying this vlog and want to see more of the Washington car scene, yeah, it's a little different breed here versus Arizona, but a lot of hidden gems that I love seeing. And yeah, subscribe if you're new here, right? Check it out. Liking this video will help me support and grow this channel. But other than that, let's check out and see who wins in the show. I think winning, honestly, is being able to enjoy the time and meeting a lot of people that you can relate with and just have fun with doing this. So I have the shotgun mic up here this time, so hopefully the audio is a lot better. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the show. It's raining in Seattle. It's wet. So let's see what else we can capture today.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you that I need you.
You know, we gotta get Will's car. We got two. We got your niece's Jimny. We got Noah's car. And we're back to the front. There you go. So that is the cool. So that is the show for the most part. So now I'm gonna go capture some actual footage and photos. You guys can check it out on the media page on Instagram, and if you're on Facebook, you guys can check it out there too. So let's go and get shooting. Running away. He's running away. He's running away. All right, we're gonna officially introduce Mr. Josh, other Josh. Here. This is the guy that you've seen. He's super loud off camera, but
Camera shy.
Camera shy, very camera shy. You see him? He's like, ha, 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 ha. You can check out his Instagram right here. He's got a pretty cool car collection as well. You guys will see him. He also has what's that energy drink, right?
Rev up energy.
Well, what do you want to say about that?
TK Racing.
Oh, TK right there. TK. It's TK Smooth. He's like, too. But yeah,
I heard he got a big dick too.
Oh, does he? I thought that was you. Oh, okay, that's not Noah, I guess. Oh shit. Yeah, follow Noah too on the vlog. You know what I mean? But give this guy a follow. He's pretty cool. He's funny. If you need your car detailed, you still do that?
Yes.
Oh, look at that plug-in.
Yep.
Oh, and if you need your dents shit, if you fucked up, yeah. Pull it out. We got it. He got it. But yeah, we just hanging out right now. So yeah, that's it. It stopped raining kinda. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Josh is super quiet now. He was literally yelling a few minutes ago. Yeah. So there we go.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you.
So you guys can see there, Eunice's truck won best truck here at the show. And this guy, what did you win?
Best stance.
Best stance with his cappuccino. Yeah, we're all heading out here right now. What are we about to do?
Back to Tacoma, take cars down to the new house.
Yeah. Finish out the day, so you get to see the rest of his cars, and then yeah, we get to do that. So pretty exciting, and yeah, we'll update you guys then. Filming some of the cars leaving here right now. It's end of show stuff, you never know. Guys, yeah, so we're gonna go head out, and that's the rollout from this meet. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying it so far, you know, subscribe, like, and of course hit that notification bell icon so you guys don't miss out on any new videos. Mustang stuff. I'll see you guys on the next part here on wherever we go. So we're at Noah's house. We're gonna help him move his cars down to his new spot. But yeah, super exciting that Eunice was able to win that in her truck. So pretty cool, right? We're gonna do a little overview video. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. We're gonna do a little overview video of this thing later on, but you know, pretty exciting stuff. Hopefully my face isn't too big in this thing, because it's the 20 mil Sony. But yeah, so we're just gathering up some things, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and move his cars and maybe grab some food. But yeah, you guys know what it is. Subscribe if you're new here, of course, and hit that notification bell icon to not miss out on any new videos in the future. A lot of car content coming your way here, and yeah, more stuff. So we made it to Noah's house. Look at this man. Oh, celebrate the homies, man. Celebrate the homies. Look, here's his K truck. This is what I mean by king of K cars, man. Jeez, how do you feel, Noah?
I feel good, man.
Bro, hell yeah, bro. Yo,
Good
dude,
week.
congrats, man.
Good week.
Oh, we can edit that. Maybe, but that's car life. That's car life. So this is all Noah's. Here's the other K car. Jeez, we got Will in there. And then we got his XB. Got this man's XB right here. Watch this, watch this shit, watch this shit, watch this shit. Oh, look at this. You wanna know something cool about this thing? Look at this, look at this. Oh! It's got no roof. It's got no roof. It's got no roof. Oh yeah. And of course you got his main. Got the little kappa. Little Capricorn right here. Little cappuccino. Oh, you got his little K truck. Look at this thing, man. Look at them wheels, man. What you know about them wheels? A little bit. Little TK racing. Okay, you got the manual windows. Damn. Gotta get that low angle real quick. Oh, look at that. Damn, dude. Did you?
It does that though.
Oh, yeah? Shit. We got Will. Oh, shit. Snap. Woo. Talk about bags. Huh?
Oh, why you turned it off? He's just gonna pull it right in there.
He seemed like, dude, I gotta jump it. Yeah, he's got some cool stuff, man. Look at these. That's what I'm telling you about. His wheels. No fake wheels, man. So I don't think I've showed you guys the inside of the cappuccino yet, but this thing is clean, man. This shit is clean, man. Look at this shit real quick. Those are real, by the way. They're not reps. Noah doesn't go fake on his cars. Well, right on, guys. We're gonna finish up here. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the vlog, but if it is, you guys know what to do. Subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And like I said, it's only the start, man. Everybody's winning here, so come join us and see what it is to be in the Seattle car scene. Met a lot of amazing people today, connected with a lot of cool people from the past that I've worked with before, and yeah, so subscribe, hit that notification bell icon, and I'll see you guys maybe on the next video. Maybe. We'll see what happens.